Every time I pray for better days, every day feel it coming on the way. Gotta step on every pace, and no matter what it takes. Sa pusing mereka bilang ini itu. Haters gonna hate.
Hi guys, this is your girl Nubian Princess. Hey! So guess what today is? It is time for me to wash my hair. So I just wanted to basically vlog me washing the hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm going to turn around. Oh. So I definitely have a lot of, oh, sorry guys. I'm going to make sure that you guys can actually see it. So let me move this camera. So this is my hair, like I was saying. Let me turn around. I hope this camera... Yeah.
So, this is much better. So I
definitely have a lot of new growth. Let me do a close-up.
So look at all that new growth that I have. I have so much new growth.
So I hope you guys were able to see that. So I'm definitely happy about all the new growth. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So stay tuned. So I just got out of the shower. So this is what my hair is looking like. Hopefully you can see it. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and come back on camera, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, I'll be back. Hey YouTube, this is your girl Nubian Princess. So I wanted to come on here and briefly talk about something I noticed when I washed my hair. So when I washed my hair, I noticed that there was a lot of shedding. There was a lot of hair that fell out of my hair to the bathtub. So it wasn't like extremely bad to where it looked like I had a bunch of hair loss. It's just, it was shedding. It was hair that came out. So your hair naturally sheds, even when you have regular hair, braids, whatever it is, loose hair, permed hair, your hair naturally sheds a certain amount of hair every month. So with the LOC extensions, you're trying to get as much hair into like a cylinder form. And so I guess the hairs, when you don't do a retwist, because I haven't retwisted in, I want to say a month, and maybe some change. So because I haven't done a retwist, a lot of that hair that could possibly go into my lock is shedding. So it's not bad. It is not something that scares me. It's just I've noticed it a couple of times when I washed my hair, and I just wanted to basically let you guys know that if you see hair on your bathroom or your bathtub floor, it is okay, or your shower floor, it is okay, because it is normal for your hair to shed. But if it's a lot to where you have bald spots, then you definitely have to be worried about it. So I'm still in the process right now of learning my hair, and I cannot wait to hit my 1 year mark on June the 10th. So as of now, we are in April, so I'm going into my 10 month. I will be 10 months on April the 10th. So as always, I will definitely do an updated video. But as you can already see, my hair is growing, and I am definitely using my hair oil to make my hair grow, and I love it. So definitely check out the hair oil. I'm gonna put a link to where you can purchase it, and it is all natural. It has peppermint, cedarwood, tea tree, but tea tree is just a drop. It's not a lot of tea tree. It has castor oil and some other ingredients. So it's all natural, no chemicals. And then I have a hairspray. It's called Nubian hairspray, and that one is for basically spraying your scalp. Like if you have a style that has your scalp open, so for example braids, also sew-ins when you have cornrows, or when you wear wigs and you have the cornrows, or if you have a bald spot, you just basically spray it in that area that possibly is dry or itches, and then you kind of rub it in there, and then make sure you follow through with the oil. Now the oil is not something that you want to do every single day. You just want to basically do it whenever you feel like your hair or your scalp needs it. Remember, the oil goes on your scalp, not on your hair. On your scalp, and then you massage it in there, and I promise you about 5-10 minutes you're gonna feel like a nice little tingle, and it's gonna feel good. So it's definitely making my hair grow. So check out my other videos on my channel. I basically vlog a lot. I know there's people on here that are probably like, why is she vlogging so much? It's something that I basically wanted to do. I wanted to track my journey because I plan to be locked for the rest of my life. So I want to basically be able to look back, kind of like a video diary, look back and see where I started, where I'm at, and where, you know, I'm going. So, and I pretty much want to help, you know, educate people and show people what I went through. So yeah, so check out my channel and my videos. Thank you guys so much. I definitely appreciate the support. I see the new subscribers. God bless you guys.